everyone. Robert Roy, founder of WealthBuildersHQ.com here, coming to you live, well, live for me, on June 24th. This update is for June 25th of Trade with Rob. Markets just closed up just a few minutes ago. What a great day in the S&P 500. Let's go check that out first. So as we look at the S&P 500, whoa, man, to the moon, baby, to the moon. We had a great move today, right? All-time highs on the market, just rocking it, right? We are up 24.5 points on the S&P, crushing it, right? All-time highs, we're just doing fantastic. So let's go see what we can't find that kind of works around this candidate for us, all right? Or this movement, I should say, for us. So the company I want to look at today is Phillip Morris. PM is the ticker symbol, all right? So if we look at Phillip Morris, first thing we do, always, is we look at the fib. Here is my V bottom on the fib. I get this move up, kind of this little rounding sideways almost-ish pattern. We get a nice strong push up, a good fail before we take off, right? And finish up right up here. Let me actually clear that off. My mouse was, my line was covering it up there. So let me do it again. Let's get rid of that. Right, now watch. Let's make it look a little more better than it did. Here, we come up, we get that sideways pattern. We come up, and there's the V. Right, we had some movement back in here, but nothing, because of that one big day, nothing enough to have us draw in a different spot. So from there, we've pushed up. The first time we tested the zero line again. We tested it for these 2 days. We tested here, and then we got a great run up to the 136. Nice. That's exactly what we're looking for. We came back down again, and we went back to the 136. Now, the difference there is it's tough to take that intraday unless you get the perfect setup, right? Here, we gapped down below the 98.62 level today, and we wound up closing at 99.03. So we got up above that 98.62. What are we looking for? Mañana, tomorrow, either you get a small move to the downside, come back in, ideal would be a retest of the 98.62, or a small move to the upside. Either way, you've got to pick your entry, guys. I'm laying out the trade. You determine all the rules behind it for you and your risk profile, right? If we take this trade, what are we looking for? If you take 2 contracts or more than one, you're going to exit half the trade at 100. What I don't have drawn on here is a $100 price point, right? Which of course would overlap that. That is a major resistance level on a chart, or $100 levels. So there's a confluence there, which is why we're at 100 with our resistance, with our target. So half the trade comes off at the 100. The other half of the trade comes off at 102. But now if you enter this trade and you're wrong and it goes against you, right? We have a stop here at 97.25 that if it gets down there, it triggers you and takes you out of the entire trade, however many contracts you have in there. If you get target 1 filled, you're going to move your stop up to above break even. So even if it pulls back on the second one, let's say that we get the move up, boom, and now it pulls back, it takes you out, but it's not costing you anything, and you'll keep the profit from the first exit, and your premium basically is protected. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, and I will see all of you at our next update. Bye for now.